Jiny Dental is born in a city full of vitality and challenges. A magical city that encompasses everything. Such a company with unique ingenuity and responsibility. We are focusing on digital dental CAD CAM solution on 2013 to provide more professional and better quality. Digital dental CAD CAM equipment and solution. Jiny Dental emerged at the historic moment with years of experience in the production of automation and precision milling equipment and introduction of the most advanced domestic lab. Foreign technology and equipment, we rapidly develop and expand. All our products are sold in domestic and overseas market and recognized by new and old customers. Jiny people still adhere to the original intention and originality, and we always adhere to quality of life. Stronger main body, more durable accessories, more stable structure, all interprets the efforts and perseverance of Jiny people. Over the thorny road, we constantly pursue excellence and challenge the limits.